My name is Jennifer Bull, and I was born and raised in Pittsburgh. I graduated from Juniata College in 2008. I started my teaching career in Fredericksburg, Virginia, where I taught for 3 years. I transferred back to my home state in 2011 and have been teaching 4th grade in the Red Lion Area School District ever since. After teaching all subjects for a couple of years, I now specialize as a 4th grade math teacher. I earned my master's degree from Wilkes University. My husband Garrett is also a teacher and teaches social studies at the Red Lion Area Senior High School. We have a golden retriever named Lincoln and are expecting our first child in July. I love going to the beach and doing just about anything outside. Lately, my time has been occupied by wrapping up the school year and preparing for the upcoming addition to our family. I look forward to working with all of you as we learn about responding to individual learners. Bye!